exposed, man. And yep, focus, always messes with me, man. So today, as usual, first step, paddock stand. Oh, is it recording? Damn it. Okay, align properly. I need to remove this cover, this bolt, and this bolt. The engine, okay, it's not warm, but the chain is in very drastic condition, man. And yeah, exhaust polish too. In this video I'll polish the exhaust. I mean, just look at it, man. It looks so okay. I pretty much removed it through my own hand. So now let's get through this. Yeah guys, this is my first time doing this, so కొంచెం టెన్షన్ గానే ఉంది. Okay, it's got loose. Slow and steady. Okay, linkage pin. Oh shit, I forgot the flat screw. Where? Okay, it's here. Okay, little bit inside, push it inside. Okay, finally got this. ఇది రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంటే బాగా వచ్చేది. If I could have removed this, but then again guys, I don't know what torque these bolts are. They're just not budging, so I decided to remove only here. This itself is not easy. It's very annoying, very tight, but somehow yeah, I got it. Come on, neatly out. I don't want to put pressure. Oh, WD-40 definitely did its job. Yeah, see, there is even muck. Finally my linkage. Since linkage is out, oh yeah, let's remove the remaining panels. So this is not working. Okay, this is socket bolt 1, and this is annoying, yeah. I want it up. Nope, I exactly want it here. Come on. Okay, I don't know why these are so dang tight, man. Okay, this is my first time, working on my bike. I mean, I do this on 310, but it's damn easy, man. But on this bike though, it's a whole different league of complicated. Where the hell should I put the shifter? Okay, is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. So yep, I think we did a good job till here. As usual. Damn, I should have got myself a stool. So pull the strip back. Okay, so finally got my front sprocket out. What the hell should I even do? Complete degreasing time. Complete. Degrease, wash the bike. Sorry, WD-40, wash the bike. Degrease, chain loop. Exhaust polish. Lot of work, very less time. Let's roll. So I tried WD and I tried a degreaser. You know what worked more efficiently? Kidding. Yep. It did wonders, man. The only mistake I did is I should have done afternoon, but it suddenly started raining. So guys, from this I understood one thing. I need detailing brush. Without that, I understood that I cannot efficiently clean my bike. Front sprocket after 5,000 kilometers. Yeah, I think I should do it 3,000. My grandpa slippers, obviously. Oh, choo. Oh, come on, man. My hands, everything. So let me dry it off and plug it in. Put the exhaust polish. Yeah, it's getting late. I'm running out of time. I hope it dries. So all done. Finally lube time. Just look at how clean it is. So let's lube it, exhaust polish it and call it a day. I'm tired, man. So the sprocket is like this, and I kind of lubed it. The lube is settling in. So yeah, I need to get the shift linkage back. So is it alright, guys? The sprocket looks like this, and I tried to clean. As I said, no detailing brush. So for the next, I'll clean after under 2 or 3,000 kilometers. So then I'll get a detailing brush and completely polish this entire region. Right now I can only do it with a toothbrush. And so let me give you a glimpse. So this is the bike. So how does it look? I don't have any water gun or any professional wash, but it did a okay, decent job. Not any special. Then again, I didn't want to do anything special. So yeah, I think the bike kind of looks alright. Obviously Samsung, it always overexposes the image because this is sunset time. So damn, just look at it, man. So anyway, now I'll polish the exhaust. Let's see how it looks. Guys, such a dumb buy. I literally haven't put this sprocket cover, the sprocket bolt. I need to remove the linkage again. Absolutely damn. Yes, it might be scary, but that's how you do it. Get back linkage. I have less work with you now, or else Okay. Come on out. Oh my god. See, that's how you remove it. I haven't recorded that. So maybe. Hell, man. Hell. Would ho. In spite of all the hardships, man, just looking at her clean and everything makes it worth. But yeah, I have my own set of issues with this bike, which will be the next vlog. Yeah, okay, I think everything is working fine. The blipper is clunky as usual because the bike has not been riding since much time. My tires are also not properly warmed up. So MR.AnneGarage quick shift is okay. Blipper. Oh, smooth. Okay. Okay, that seems fine. So yeah, the kick shift is okay, the blipper is okay. I think I can call it a day and go back to my home. You will definitely feel that the pins, the ball joint, especially the ball joint, you will definitely face some issue. Whoa, it's kind of too aggressive today. Yeah, it's the first time I'm coming from that side to this course, and also I'm on slippers, man, so it feels kind of weird to drive the bike. I'm literally on shorts. So yeah, without shoes itself the feel is different, the lever reach is different, everything is kind of different. Still kind of clunky. The blipper is clunky a little bit because there is this typical character, guys. because let me show you. Let me take the RPM below 2500. Oh yeah, I gone too below. The quick shifter works fine. See, after 5500, see, silky smooth shifts. See, buttery as hell, man. But now see, blipper, okay, the RPM is below 2500. See how smoothly it shifts. See, basically it is tuned. I think it's tuned better to work at those RPMs. So yeah, I should not abuse the gearbox. I should not abuse the quick shift much. And see, I plan to go on this road. That is why I did not detailedly wash the bike. I washed it. I washed the sprockets thoroughly. But as I said, it would have been a billion times better if I have detailing brushes. I could have cleaned. Oh shit, man, shit. There goes another 400 bill to get the bike washed. Anyway, so that's it for the vlog, guys. I think I'll call it a day too. Got to edit this entire stuff and post.